Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. Welcome back to AWMFX. First of all, I would like to apologize because yesterday I was quite busy with some of my personal things that I was not able to make any videos for you guys. So for that, I compensate a potential trade for you guys today. So this will be a very huge trade. Alright, so let's look at it. First of all, we are looking at a Euro versus GBP daily chart. Alright, so that's why I said that it might turn out to be a very big trade. So hopefully it turns out to be very big. But anyway, let's dive into it with the analysis and see how we should approach this trade. So first of all, if you can see properly, the price is making a compression movement down here. So previously, a lot of us thought that it might rebound from here, or you should say it might reject from here because there is a bullish engulfing pattern. So in fact, it didn't do anything at this area, but it reacts further down and then stop hunt quite a lot of people before it went up again. Okay, went up to this supply zone and then down again. All right, at this moment it's going down. So what happened is that if we look at it properly, let's just switch it to okay, this one. Let me switch it back to daily chart. So what we have here right now is that it's an obvious fake out. So let me draw it properly for you guys. This is what we call as a fake out, where there is a lot of either rejection or either a lot of support or resistance. So in this case, there is a lot of support. So we have a support here, and support here. So very likely the price will come down, stop hunt some of this fake out support and then make a move up. But how much they'll be making, it will be going up, we really do not know at this moment. But hopefully it will goes up as high as possible, because if we look at the chart or this movement over here on the daily, there is no fresh zone except for this one. No, this is not even fresh anymore. So there is no fresh zone anymore. So means that if the price goes up, it will goes up for a few days like this. So it will be a very huge profit. So let's see what we can do. So my target of entry is over here. By the way, this is not a signal, this is just an educational and my own opinion. You might follow it, but there is some risk for trading. All right, so first of all, I'm taking my trade over here, right at this area. Two reasons why I do it. I place my buy limit at this area. First reason is that this is a rally based rally. All right, rally based rally. Second, this is a very fresh demand zone. Okay, we're looking for a buy at the demand zone, right? So this is a very fresh demand zone. Then the third reason is that because if you look to the left behind, there is a lot of rejection. So let me put a line so that you guys know what I'm talking about. So if I put a line behind, either at the top here or the bottom here, there is a lot of rejection. All right, a lot of shadow, a lot of wick, okay, rejecting at this area. So that is the reason why I will place my trade here. Now the problem is that the stop loss will be very huge, 40 over pips. So it depends on you. If you feel that you're comfortable with this zone, go ahead, it's okay. But for me, that is myself particularly, because I like to do sniper entering, means that I like to go into smaller time frame and see is there any possible smaller entry. I want to reduce my risk. So first thing, I'm gonna switch to before. Let me see if there's anything very nice over here. All right, so at this moment, I can only conclude that I will reduce. This is only the only way I will reduce my my entry, okay, from the huge to this small. So by the way, if you notice, okay, I'll just give you some clue. If you notice how I do my sniper entering, I don't move my big box. My big box, I won't move it. I'm just how should I say, I'm just snipering inside, means I focus inside this area. I won't suddenly move my box out of this daily demand zone. So first of all, now let's look at it. This is what my possible entry area. Reason is because I will talk about the most basic fresh zone. So this is a fresh demand zone. Other than that, there is nothing for me for my reason at this moment. Really, at this moment, there's no reason. So the stop loss has reduced to 14 pips. So significantly dropped. But anyway, let's go into smaller time frame. See, is there anything? I'll go into smaller and smaller time frames to see is there anything until the stop loss I felt that it's comfortable. So all right, over here I have even smaller stop loss. So this will be it. All right, so if you see that this is maybe I'm gonna label it, this is the 4-hour demand zone. Right, this is the 4-hour demand zone. So this is the daily demand zone. All right, so now I saw something very, very beautiful, because not only that, I can see my MPL, maximum pain level, over here. All right, let me put a line. Let me get my horizontal line out. I drag my line until a place where there is a lot of rejection. All right, so let me move this one away for a while. So if you look at this line over here, all right, this line over here, this is a place where there is a lot of rejection. Now we are looking at the price going uptrend. Okay, so first of all, the price came into this area and then went back down. All right, then what happens is that it goes up. Okay, it went up and then retest several times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. All right, so 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. If you go to even smaller time frame, this is what we call as a fake out. This is a fake out. All right, in a small time frame, if you look at this pattern, this is a QM. Look at it properly. Going down, going up, going down, and then went down all the way, broke the previous low, and then retest, 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 retest. This is a fake out. All right, this is a fake out, and then the price came back down to this area before it shoot up. So this is a QM in a small time frame. But anyway, the past is already passed, means that I won't take consideration of this area at time being. Okay, all right, hopefully you guys understand. So this is my MPL. Sorry for not labeling, one of my bad behavior, not behavior, my habits. Yeah. So this is already my MPL at this moment, and also a fake out in the previous. Okay, this is a fake out in previous smaller time frame. But anyway, now let's focus at this area where the price came back down to hunt stop loss before it goes up. So this is an area where we really want to dive very, very deep into it. Let me get into 1 hour demand. So this is the area. So where should I enter? Okay, this is just my personal opinion, because this is 1 hour. For me, I saw something very, very beautiful over here. That is a bullish engulfing. Can you see? Bullish engulfing means that these two candle over here. Candle number 1. Candle number 1. Color. Black color. So we have candle number 1 over here. And then, how come? Maybe I need to bring it to the front. So I have candle number 2 over here. All right. So let's just focus on these 2 candlesticks, because these 2 candlesticks give you a very good information. This 2 candlestick is a bearish and bullish engulfing. It's going up, it's bullish engulfing. All right, so in bullish engulfing, we have our own rules of trading. Means that I will place my entry at this area and my stop loss over here. That's it. End of the story. This time it will be very small. Too small. Too small. Just 4 pips. This time it will be too small. So what I will do is that to make things easier, I will suggest if you want to follow, you might place your entry over here, since this is also a fresh demand zone, and then your stop loss at the edge. That's all. So if you look at my analysis, all right, if you look at my analysis, let me make this line darker. Yes, if you look at my analysis, my big daily is over here, and then my 4 hours is over here, then my 1 hour is over here. Did I move my box out of another box? No. That is how I do my snipering. All right, so I hope you guys know how to do snipering if you wanted to. So this is my potential entry over here. All right, this part will be my potential entry because of all this MPL at 1 hour chart, and of course a possible big reversal due to the compression movement. All right, compression movement. So this will be my entry, my possible entry for this trade. So let's monitor and see how things goes well. Hopefully it goes well, and then it will show up just like this. Then it will be very, very nice. All right, but be aware, because it might not reject at this point due to a lot of fundamental news. All right, so you have to be aware of that. But anyway, I'm gonna place my order over at this place. I'm definitely gonna place it because it's a small risk and does not hurt my account. And if it really does work, okay, I'll be adding a lot of trade inside due to the using the supply and demand zone method to build my account. All right, this trade over here will definitely give me around 300 to 400% return on the account. All right, so hopefully you guys understand, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to build as much community, as much subscriber as possible. It's not that because I want to monetize on it, it's because I hope that my video one day can spread this good knowledge and I'll say knowledge, good knowledge out to a lot more people out there, because I've been using a lot of method, and this is one of the best. I'll say not one of the best, the only best method I've used with profitable, consistent, profitable trades. All right, so hopefully you guys support me at my YouTube channel, and if any of you that wanted to use my video, you might just drop me a message, ask for my permission, then just link back to my YouTube channel. That's all. All right, I'm not asking for any share of any profit from other place, but please let me know. So that's all. Thank you, and hope you guys really win this trade. It might happen next week, or might happen tonight. I'm not sure, because today is already Friday, and then usually Friday there will be a big movement before the market close. All right, so see you guys. Bye.